Tell us first of all what happened in the Senate today. I understand you moved a motion on the urgent need to investigate this alleged funding of Boko Haram by USAID.
Yeah, that's true, because as the motion said, and as you, as a Nigerian too, knowing the history of Boko Haram and the level of destruction, devastation that, that they made us to go through, and even now is still ongoing, because there are remnants of Boko Haram, and the new one that is emerging in the northwest, and also
that's Lakurawa.
Yes, Lukarawa, they call them. And when allegations like this come from the source, and that is the U.S., the USAID is a big department in the United States, as you know, established, I think, in the 60s or 50s to help other countries and then for their own purpose. But the way they operate makes us to be so suspicious, in the sense that they don't allow for oversight, and then they go places where nobody goes there, and they do certain things in secret or so, and that becomes worrisome. But then this is somebody that is coming under the pretext of helping you where you're in their need. Then you don't question, or even if they are suspicion, you don't even have the right to look in. So this is kind of opportunity for us to really investigate, since the U.S. itself has virtually closed down the USAID, stopped the funding because of what Scott Perry said, alleging that they are misusing the money. And that I think their own hearing is on what they call war against waste, because they feel that the U.S. is spending money where they are not supposed to, and in fact creating more problem to the people that they are supposed to help. So that's why I say it is the time now for the Nigerian side, and especially the National Assembly and the federal government, to be interested and also launch its own investigation to find out the veracity of such weighty allegations, so that we know what to do.